Have you ever wondered why every engine doesn't use liquid cooling? Let's find out. These cooling fins let air carry heat away from the engine, keeping it at a safe temperature. Liquid-cooled engines are heavier because they include a radiator, coolant, hoses, and a water pump. Unlike air-cooled engines, liquid-cooled systems need coolant and regular maintenance to perform properly. Both systems cool the engine, but each is designed for different performance and cost requirements. Liquid cooling needs extra parts like a radiator, hoses, and coolant, making the system more complex. Liquid-cooled engines use coolant, a radiator, and a water pump to remove heat much more efficiently. High-performance engines generate much more heat, making liquid cooling the better choice. Liquid cooling keeps engine temperatures more stable, improving performance, efficiency, and reliability. Coolant absorbs engine heat, carries it to the radiator, and air removes that heat efficiently. Generators, lawnmowers, and many small engines stay cool with simple air cooling, keeping costs and maintenance low. Modern motorcycles often use liquid cooling to meet stricter emission standards and deliver higher performance.
Most small commuter motorcycles don't create enough heat to require liquid cooling.
Neither system is better for every engine. The best choice depends on power, cost, weight, and intended use. Air cooling is simple, lightweight, and affordable. Liquid cooling provides better temperature control for demanding engines. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.